Welcome back to the channel. This is Make the Most TV. On this channel, what we do is we make sure we use our smartphones, our computers, our desktop computers and laptops to its full capacity, to its optimum capacity. When we find ourselves in moments where we need to apply the technological knowledge we have, that's when we come in. We help you make full use of our smart devices. On this episode, I want us to put a stop to something that we normally do. I've made a video about it. It is about this application. It is a free application that we can access on our computers. I'll put the video link in the comment section. I've made several videos about this application. It is a free application embedded in the operating system of your computer that you can use to take screen captures. Why do you have to use your smartphone to take a picture on your computer whilst there's an application, a free application of course, that you can use to take a screen capture? With that application, you can take a good picture. You can take a picture that is clearer and better than using your smartphone to take a picture on your computer screen. I've made a video about this application and it seems people haven't seen the video. It is a free application, so what stops you from using the free application and its features? All its features are free. What else do you want? Why are you not using this application? With this application, you can take a screen capture of sections of any document you are working on. With this application, you can take a video of any portion of a document you are working on your computer or on your laptop. What stops you from using this application? It is free. Who doesn't like free stuff? We all like free stuff. So what stops you from using this application? Rather than using your phone to try to capture an image on your computer, with this application, all you do is take the screen capture, save it on your desktop, and then send it to your phone or send it from your computer to whoever you want to send it to. Subscribe to this channel, like the video, share so that after telling you what the application is, everybody will know and we will stop taking screen captures with our smartphone rather than the computer right in front of you, with the free application of course. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for great content like this. You still want to know what the application is, right? I've made a video, several videos about the application. I'll put the other links, I'll put the other videos I've made about the application in the comment section. It is called the Snipping Tool. The Snipping Tool can be used to copy text apart from taking a picture or making a video of sections or the full screen of your computer. It can copy text, it can redact text, and it can copy various sections of your computer or your laptop screen. Any portion of your screen that you need to copy, any portion of the screen that you need to redact before sending a document to someone, you can use this application free of charge. Use this application to its full or optimum capacity. It is a free application. What stops you from using it? There are several uses of the Snipping Tool and I'll put the link in the comment section. Tap on it and get enlightened. With the Snipping Tool, you can do all the things that I've said with it with ease. It is free. Use it to its full capacity and all the screen captures with a smartphone will end. With this video and the ones I'll put in the comment section, you would stop taking screen captures with your smartphone. Use this application and make optimum usage of your smartphone. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Don't forget to share so that we all desist from this archaic mentality some people have been using. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, so we improve or make the most of our smart devices. I'll see you in the next video.